You're making products and you're not seeing any sales, it's probably because you're missing this. Hey, it's Marcus with Hometown Laser. It's been a while, but I'm back and I'm here to serve you. So look, I've been gone for a little time, took some vacation. I've been busy with a lot of coaching, selling this course, doing the one-on-one consultings. I've been just absolutely blessed to be able to help so many of you. I've gotten so many emails, things like that. But look, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna link my Calendly link here in the description. You can click on that if you want some one-on-one coaching. But as for now, let's get right into it. So a lot of times people, whether you're using a laser or you're a crafter, you're knitting or sewing or whatever it is, a lot of times people just pick a product and they just like grab it out of thin air, like because they like it. It looks good or it sounds good or it seems easy. And they just pick this thing, and then once they make it, they wonder why it's not selling. Well, it's because instead of guessing on a product, most people don't know that they should do a little bit of research. Maybe they don't know how to do the research, but there are trending products out there or evergreen products, and there's things that people are actually buying right now. And instead of you reinventing the wheel, you just go and copy like an artist. So a lot of times people will come to the market and then they just sell what they like. They sell the things that really appeal to them the most. But in reality, you're just one person compared to you wanting to serve thousands of people. So what you got to do is just go and see what's on the market and what's trending, because that's the thing that the thousands of people would want to buy. Now, if you're not looking to make much profit or sell too many of them and you're just making it for fun, then whatever, by all means, go ahead and make that thing that makes you happy, that you like, and sell a couple of them. But if you want to make massive profits and actually produce something that people are already looking for, then you have to look to trends and see what's popular already. The three biggest ones is Etsy, Pinterest, and TikTok. And then all the other things, like you can go to Instagram, YouTube, Google, anything else. But the three big ones is Etsy, Pinterest, and TikTok. Now, TikTok is like a hidden gem because things go viral on there. And then the way that you do it is you find something that's going viral, like a video or some type of meme or something, and then you figure out how to turn that into a product, into your craft business product. So like if you're making something on the laser, then make an ornament or a sign that says that meme or says the quote on it. And then, there's lots of different ways you can market it to that type of person. And then another thing is you can study your competitors. So you study them, find out what gaps they're leaving open, so if there's a competitor and they're doing pretty good and they have a pretty good selling product, if their reviews are public, then you can go and look in their reviews, look for the 1 and 2 stars, maybe 3 stars, see what they say about the product. Also, you can just see what products they have and then type it in online and try to find out, find what other businesses are selling that same product. And then you can look at their reviews too. Because all in all, even though they're going to be two different businesses, they're making the same product, so that customer is still going to have the same pros and cons, good things and bad things to say. So that's going to help you, because what you do is you differentiate. And what that is you choose that product, you change it a little bit, and then you improve the bad reviews, and then yours now is number one. Last thing I want to talk about in this video is bundling things. So look, I did this too in the beginning. I would just make an ornament or a sign or a door hanger, and I would just sell that thing because it's the easiest thing to do. And like when you're new to it, you don't really know. You just don't know. But when you start to really dive into the sales and you get good at sales, then you realize like, okay, look, there's 10,000 people out there selling a door hanger. What's going to make mine better? Like, why would they want to buy mine? And mine is $15, $20 more than the competitors. So what am I going to do to make mine stick out more? Well, this is what you do. You bundle it. So say you have a door hanger. Remember my welcome door hanger? This one, the welcome on in, but leave as soon as possible. Dude, that is a great door hanger. I made that up myself. I just thought of it off the dome. Look, if you want to, go ahead and copy that. So what you could do is, this is a door hanger, so you can make a wall sign. You can make like a living room table sign, and then you could bundle all three of them together. So instead of having this $60 door hanger, now you have 3 signs in it, and you can make like, I don't know, maybe $140 or something. Just those simple tweaks though. So the main thing that I want you to take away from this is to start bundling your items, all right? Whatever business you're in, laser cutter, laser engraver, the Cricut, so that's like vinyl and stuff. If you're knitting, sewing, if you're doing baked goods, anything, this goes for anything. This will work for any type of business. So batch your things, look at the popular trends, what's trending right now, what's going on that people want to buy. Look, I know how it feels, but you can't just keep on making your same old things that you wanted to make just because you like it, unless you don't want to make any profit. But if you do want to make profit, then you got to get outside the box. You got to start making more stuff. You got to start doing some research and treating this like a business. All right. So anyways, I hope that was helpful. It's been a long time, but anyways, I'm going to link my Calendly down in the description because look, I've been doing so many one-on-one calls. I've been doing some coaching. I've been selling this course, and I've been helping you guys. I've had hundreds of you email me. So look, for now, I can do one-on-one calls until it gets too overwhelming. And then I'm going to I think we're about 30 days away from having this online community. So I'm starting this online community. I'm going to use this platform, get signed up with it. And then I'm going to let all the laser people come into this platform, and it's going to be our mastermind. That's going to be our mastermind group where we come and we talk and we figure this thing out together, where I can give one-on-one live coaching, have some webinars and some Q&As, live Q&As, where it's going to be me. It's not going to be a recording. It's going to be me there talking to you, answering your questions, talking about the fundraisers and everything like that. So look, stay tuned for that. I'll probably create a wait list. You can get on the wait list. But until then, that link's in the description. Sign up for a one-on-one call for coaching for your business, and I'll help you get it squared away. So, all right, thanks. Bye.